So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a Facebook page. Now, of recent, a lot of persons have been finding it difficult to create a new Facebook page, and I'm going to teach you just what you need and how you could do it. I recommend you use Facebook Lite, so you could install this on Apple Store or Google Play Store. So you go to Pages and you click on the Create button at the top left corner. Click on Create. So I'm going to open one just right now before you. So this is a brand, Red Zone. Okay, so you click on Next. Okay, I could just call it anything. Let's say brand. Just give it a name, brand. It's a brand. Let's see if we're gonna get that. Okay, brand is available. So you click on Next. It's very easy. It always works on Facebook Lite. So if you've been having issues creating a page on your laptop or the main Facebook app, you could always do this with the Facebook Lite. So it's very easy. If you have a website, you insert your website. If you don't, you click on skip at the top right corner. Here is a red zone. You could actually click on skip, or you could add a profile picture. But let me click on skip for now. Okay, so skip. And that's all. Your page has been created successfully. So I can also add my profile picture for red zone. I could use this. Okay, this red zone. I designed this on Canva, just a very simple logo. And Hula, you have successfully created your page. It's very easy. Okay, let me just use this other one. This is just for okay guys, so this is how to successfully create your Facebook page, and you could continue other settings and setup for your page.